Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Webflow hosting and stop publishing UI pages. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, log into your Webflow account. Navigate to the project dashboard of the site you wish to modify. In the upper right corner, select the settings icon. Click on the hosting tab from the options provided. Scroll down to find the hosting section. Locate the button labeled Uninstall Hosting. Click on this button to initiate the uninstallation process. A confirmation prompt will appear on your screen. Review the information carefully and confirm your choice. Once confirmed, the uninstallation process will commence. You will receive a notification indicating that hosting has been successfully uninstalled. Next, return to the project dashboard. Select the Pages tab from the left sidebar. Here, you will see a list of all your published pages. Choose the pages you want to stop publishing. Click on the three dots next to each page name. Select Disable Page from the drop-down menu. Confirm your choice when prompted. Repeat this process for each page you wish to disable. Finally, review your project to ensure all settings are as desired. Your Webflow hosting has now been uninstalled, and UI pages are no longer published. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.